Okay, guys. This is the final contest of a wind-up tour championships. You are all the moment you have all been waiting for like 10 weeks. And let's start on our finalists. We have Mommy, T-Rex, the monster, Chuck E. Cheese, and the QQ cut. Now let's see. Okay, our next. Okay, final contest will be the T-Rex versus the monster. Let's control them. Okay. Good. Oh, I'm controlling the myself. I'm going to the finals round, and like only be one winner. Now with 5 vehicles. Ready. Start. Wait, okay. Now we start off with a cut and making. Oh, yellow card's lost. So that means go to. So whoever loses this first go. Oh, that was a mommy one, but it will only be 2 players. So whoever, so it will be for mommy versus for T-Rex. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Fire's still in. Oh, the T-Rex is our champion. The champion. Oh. You will for first annual wind-up toy championships on YouTube. So, I'll see you. This event will continue. And I will continue this event next year. And don't forget, I turned 11, and I turned 11 now. So good. It's good, and I'll say bye to y'all. There'll be another event, and it's going to be coming on Thursday. Annual Bible race. So you'll never. I know I am. Goodbye.